Experts as well as TUI see blockchain technology fundamentally changing the internet. At the same time, it offers opportunities for new business models in all industries.
Blockchain is a new type of database, and it has three interesting properties that we care about here. First of all, it's an append-only database, so you can only add records to it. Second property is that database, the exact same copy, is hosted on thousands or millions of computers. And the third property that we care about here is blockchains are gigantic computers. Those three properties enable infinite complexity and infinite number of new business models, new ideas to be built on top of public blockchains.
TUI has been closely looking at blockchain for some time. The technology could become an important element for the group in pursuing digitalization and growth.
We have laid out our strategy, and our strategy is actually about transforming our business in a kind of a content-centric business. All the research shows that there is actually a big trend in the world in terms of moving virtual assets into something which you can actually give towards customers. And the way of how this is done is a blockchain.
At a workshop held in Berlin, a TUI team discussed the definition and the potential benefits of blockchain together with a group of external specialists.
Blockchain is basically a shared, you could say it in a simple term, it's a shared database, but the difference is that it's a shared truth, because the computer system will automatically verify everything in such a way that you can always know that what is currently the current state in the blockchain, it might be just account balances, are actually the agreed upon account balances of all the participants.
In essence, blockchain is a transaction registry. So that doesn't sound so overly exciting, but it is very important if you think about this. In a blockchain, you can store transactions in a way that is super safe. The blockchain stores the registry in hundreds, even thousands of copies. And therefore, it's impossible to lose the data. It's also impossible to forge and manipulate the data.
The experts invited by TUI also proposed and suggested concepts and ideas which may be relevant for TUI. Some of these are already tested in pilot projects.
We started with a project which we call Bet Swap, and that's actually benefiting from the potential arbitrage between different markets, because we see different demands for different hotels and different seasons, which are different because of the holiday schemes in the different countries. So therefore there is a kind of a first opportunity which we are realizing as we speak.
We looked at committed bets. So when a source market has committed bets on stock and cannot get rid of them, it might be an opportunity to trade those bets to source market who has a demand for those bets and can achieve then almost 100% of bet utilizations.
A blockchain database has many advantages. It's transparent, unforgeable, and there are no central intermediaries. Transaction processes are simplified, costs go down, and efficiencies increase. For TUI, this could mean that, for example, hotel capacities will be managed group-wide and more efficiently if the complete bed inventory is transferred into the blockchain.
The vision is huge within this area, and I think we really are at the very beginning of it within TUI and just learning and embracing as we go, but we should really have our eyes open and our minds open to what it can achieve.
In future, blockchain will help to optimize processes and transactions as innovation and digitalization are core elements of the growth strategy of TUI.